In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and publish a landing page using a canvas layout. To get started, look over to the top left sidebar of your workspace. In the Layout navigation area, click the Create Canvas Layout button. This is the starting point for building a new page, and it opens the setup flow where you'll choose the kind of layout you want to make. If you're following along for the first time, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct workspace before continuing, since that helps keep your project organized from the beginning. Once the setup panel appears, select the landing page project type from the available options. You'll usually see this displayed as a card in a row of project choices. Choose the landing page option to tell the platform exactly what you're building. This matters because it automatically prepares the right structure and settings for a page designed to collect leads and present focused marketing content. Next, enter a clear title for your landing page. Use a name that will be easy to recognize later, especially if you plan to create multiple pages for different campaigns. After that, select your default recipient audience list from the available audience pool. This step connects your landing page to the list that will receive the leads or contacts collected through the form. Once both the title and audience are set, click Begin to move into the design stage. Now you'll choose the page layout, pick a dedicated collection lead capture form template, and select the profile match style card that best fits the kind of experience you want visitors to have. The template you choose gives your landing page its starting structure, so it's worth selecting one that already feels close to your goal. That way, you'll spend less time adjusting the design later. After the template loads, begin customizing the placeholder hero text blocks. Replace the default text with your own headline and supporting message so visitors immediately understand what the page is offering. Keep the message simple, direct, and aligned with your audience. Then move on to the form settings and configure the tracking input property fields. This is where you define the information you want to collect and make sure each field is mapped properly for tracking and follow-up. Double-check spelling, labels, and field behavior so the form is easy to complete. When everything looks right and your content is ready, click Publish. That makes your landing page live and available for use. Before sharing it widely, it's always a good idea to quickly review the published version to confirm the text, layout,